Hi everyone. What is going on? So there wasn't a video last week because I was at my brother's, and ironically so, I went to see my brother and my nephew, and then I got back on the Sunday, and then I was fine on Monday, and then Monday night, in the night, like about 12:30, I started throwing up. And then all through Monday night, so like Monday night, Tuesday morning, I was throwing up constantly. So yeah, that was a thing. And today's Saturday, and I'm still ill. But you know, when you own a business, you don't really have time to be ill. Before any Karens jump at me, I did leave it the recommended 48 hours before handling any food that I was sick. Just want to jump in there. The health and safety people. I think it was actually more than 48 hours. I wasn't sick for like 4 days before I handled any food. I wouldn't do that to my clients. Just want to say that in the chat for any bloody Karens get in here and grill me. Just want to say that. But yeah. So today is going to be a video of me filling up vending machines. I really don't have the energy to be doing this, but I've left one of my machines. I've not been to one of my machines for a week, and I don't really have a choice but to go fill it up. Megan's currently in Spain, so I'm on my own today, which is not ideal. So Megan, if you're watching this, you're extremely selfish. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and get dressed, and you can watch me struggle filling up some vending machines today. I've got to go to the storage unit, best ways, and then I think I'm gonna go to 2 locations. If I can manage 2 locations today, maybe just one. I'm probably gonna go to one and then die, and then maybe just crawl back to my parents' house. I'm currently at mine because I have to leave Kovu at my house, my apartment, because he can't stay at my mum's apartment on his own. My mum and dad's apartment on his own, so I have to leave him at mine. But yeah, so just please be sympathetic throughout this video, because there's going to be a lot of me sitting down and catching my breath. But yeah, stay tuned. This is what happens in a day in the life of a vending machine business when you're poorly. Right, okay, so I'm just about to do my stock take for the location. So a lot of people have asked me what app I use. I just tried to screen share on my phone. It wouldn't give me the option to, and don't know why. So I'm just gonna do it on my laptop. Hopefully I don't show any information that will get me hacked. Megan, when you're watching this back and you're editing it, please double check. Okay, this is my X. This is all I'm allowed to show you. So this is obviously the how many is allowed to fit in each one. This is the number, so when you, I want the product 11. Select product 11, and then this vends out, yeah. And then there's 5 left, so I need to import another 5. There's 2 left, so I need to import another 2. So it's missing 2, missing 5, etc. So this is how I know how many to bring to the location with me. Yeah, so that's how I know. So yeah, that's how I know. So there's quite a few missing. And that's why I need to go today. So yeah, I'm gonna go storage unit now. So guys, bit of a change of plan. I'm gonna have to fill up the machine a little bit later on today because I've just got a new client, and I need to do get all the information about how many employees they have, how big the place is. I kind of know the place anyway because it's another business from one of my other locations, I just need to know how much big. I know it's a bigger business than my other place. I just need to know how much bigger it is. And then I need to do the paperwork, and then I need to contact my vending machine guy to get a vending machine. Go and view the vending machine at some point, and then pay for it, get it delivered, organize the delivery, all that jazz. So I need to do that today, and then go and fill the vending machine up whilst deciding not to collapse at some point. So yeah, that's just happened now. So yeah, that's just kind of what happens. But yeah, so that's exciting. So yeah, I'm just very tired, so it's a shame I can't be in full energy mode to be full hyped up about it. Email sent. Anybody else drink Diet Coke when they don't feel well? Like flat Diet Coke. Okay, so I needed how many Snickers? So I still have some chocolate left in this fridge because I can't be bothered moving it to storage unit. It was still in there, so I need 8 Snickers. Have you seen the new Snickers, by the way? So they've got like this on it. It says housemate. This one says work. I mean, if you were working and you saw that, it's like, why would you want to? This one says family. They just say Snickers on it. Oh, I think it's only. Wait, how many does this pick up? 1, 2, 6, 7. Shit, just threw that one. 8 twirls. Jesus Christ, got a lot of twirls. 2, 4, 6, 8. Sorry, I was just celebrating with my dad for getting a new vending machine location. I was just going like this down the phone. Yay! Right, anyway. So we got... God, let me turn this around. It's just annoying that Megan's not here because I can't celebrate with Meg. And she's currently on a plane, so she's not going to know until she gets off it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that one might be broke. 12. No one ever buys these, right? I love these. Orange 12s are the best. Hey, buddy. Want to say hi? Say hi. You're the cutest. Say hi. Kisses. Oh, okay. So we got 12s. How many Kit Kats did I say? Kit Kats, 13. Definitely not 13. 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll do. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, cool. I'm really struggling carrying things. I am so tired. I didn't think it was going to take it this much out of me being ill, but I only lifted this stuff onto the cart from my van, and oh my god, I'm tired. Why does it look like I'm filming a potato? Alright, I didn't film anything in best ways because I'm not gonna lie to you, I feel like I'm gonna die at any given minute. I only spent like £39 They didn't have half the stuff I wanted. So I got Fanta, Coke Zero, and M&M's. They didn't have any Galaxy, which was really irritating. Because they suddenly, like, I don't know what's going on with the world, but like they're not. I'm just concentrating because I'm reversing. What are you doing with that, brother? Brother, if I hit that, I'm very fuming. Thank you. Yeah, they ran out last week. They ran out of Maltesers. The week before, like 6 weeks before, and still now they don't have any Mars bars, and now they don't have any Galaxy. I don't know what's going on. Like, I know that overall in the world there's like a Mars bar shortage. They've got Maltesers now, but it's too late because I already got them from Costco. And now there's no Galaxy. It's like every time I want something from there, they run out, and it's just getting a little bit irritating. Because I absolutely love Best Ways, but I don't know. I don't really want to like switch up my wholesaler. I don't know, but I was just like picking up all the stuff was a nightmare because I've got no energy at all. I don't know. But right, so right now I'm gonna head to the location. Somehow drag the box out of the boot. You should have seen me dragging the box into the boot because this is how it looks right now. I don't know if you can see it. That's how much was in the box. Shit. Drive. I'm sorry, I'm filming! The lights aren't green. I was definitely showing you that. And a guy just beat me. Anyway. Yeah, so I couldn't lift the stuffing because it was too heavy. And yeah, I struggled a lot lifting that box in the car. Normally I can lift it no problem, but today, Jesus Christ, I nearly cried whilst I was lifting it. But yeah, Meg, if you're watching this, don't ever go on holiday again without me anyway. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling and turn the camera off now whilst I'm driving because my mum's probably watching this and screaming at the phone. Bye. Oh, it's looking pretty empty, guys. So guys, I just got back to my parents. I've been here for a few hours now because I had to charge my phone and delete some stuff off my phone because my storage was full. But I did collect the money from a vending machine location, and I'm gonna count it up and tell you what it made in 1 week. I also can't lie about it because I'm gonna show you a screenshot of what it says on my Axe app. So yeah, you know that I'm not chatting shit. Cool. So yeah, bear with me. I'm gonna add it up now and just give you a breakdown of what I did in card and cash this week. So this is all the money added up. Altogether it equals £125.40. So in cash it last week it did £125.40, and in credit card sales it did £85.05. So together, quick maths, that's £210.45. I just had to double check because I didn't think I was right, but I was right. Anyway, so yeah. Next week's video might be putting in a new location. It might not be because I don't know how quickly I can put the vending machine in. So it might be the week after. Bear with me because I still am getting over this illness. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow my Instagram, it'll be here. My TikTok will be here as well. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe again, hit the post notifications. But yeah, cue the outro.
10 toes down on my ride with the